How to open Capital One 360 checking account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the official website of capitalone.com, and after that select the option of checkings and savings at the very top. Now this is where it will take you. Over here at the top you will be able to find the option of 360 checking. Just simply click on it. And now here you can see the option of open account. Simply open it up, and here it will ask you whether you have Capital One login or not. In case if you already have Capital One account, whether it is a savings account, just simply select yes, otherwise select no. Now over here click on this option of continue, and in case if you have the promo code, then just simply click on this option of promo code and use that promo code. Otherwise just simply click on this option of continue. Now it will ask you your first name and last name, provide it, and then click on this option of continue. But make sure that whatever first name and last name you are providing, it should be your legal name. Now in the next step it will ask you to provide your email address, then confirm that particular email address and click on continue. After that it will ask you to provide your phone number, just simply provide it. In the next step, it will ask you to provide your residential address and your zip code and your state. Just simply provide this information. And this way, after providing all the information about you, you will be able to open up the checking account on Capital One. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.